ways to communicate during tough times. So the first way to communicate during tough time, the first question which you could ask. See, these are the powerful questions, and if you ask these questions, my dear friends, in any challenging situations, you would never feel a tension, you would never feel frustration, nothing like that, because you are asking the right question. See, asking right quality of question itself will lead you to the successful journey. So the first question which you could ask, what is good in the current situation? So there is nothing pure black or pure white. There is always a gray area. So what is good in the current situation? Say for let's take example of this pandemic situation, this lockdown situation. So what is good in current situation? Lot many people have talked about it, so I don't want to repeat the same thing, that there is less pollution, there is a lot of family time, there are less vehicles on the road, and stuff like that. So what is good in current situation? Till now you might have found out so many good things in the current situation, and if not, then this is the right time to for you to find out what is good in the current situation. In which context it is good, in which context this lockdown is good, in which context this corona is could be good. So there could be a different context. The context could be, I was working like anything, I was working tirelessly, and now this particular lockdown situation is giving me an opportunity to settle down at my home, to take some rest, because that is required, so that I can spend my next 20, 30, 40, 50 years of life with a right energy. So it could be good in that particular context. So unless and until we don't find out what could be the good in that particular context, we always curse the situation, we always feel that this is bad. The third question which you could ask, what would I need to believe to feel good? So what is that I should need to believe that I should feel good? So here we are talking about what is your belief system. So are you believing that everything is good, or are you believing that there are so many things which are bad? So the moment you are having a different belief system, your approaches would be something different. So somebody who believes he can do, or somebody who believes he cannot do, either way he is right. So if you are believing that you can do, you are right. If you are believing that you can't do, you are right. So it is all about your belief, it is all about what is your self projection, it is all about how you see yourself. If you are believing that I can come out of this situation, you can. If you think that yes, I can find out the ways in that situation, you can. It is all about your own belief system. The fourth powerful question which I could ask in the current situation is, what can I learn from this situation? So the way you are communicating with yourself, so meaningful communication, we are focusing on self, and it could be extended to others as well. But at least whatever you are communicating every single day with yourself, that has to be perfectly clear. See, my dear friends, every single day we, according to scientists, again, we are having 60,000 to 70,000 thoughts a single day. Could be more than that. That is huge number. And what are we communicating to ourselves? Are we communicating meaningfully? If we are communicating meaningfully, then that is going to be great. If we are not communicating meaningfully, it means that we need to change our communication. We need to change our question, so that our destiny changes and our results also changes. So the fourth question, what can I learn from this situation? So what is my learning? So from this situation, there could be lots and lots of learning which we never ever thought of. I learn how I can sit at home and still make money. At least I'm giving my own example. I learned that. I was always thinking and always obsessed that I need to book some five-star hotel and conduct my trainings over there and do stuff like that. But today, this lockdown situation gave me a learning, that I learn how can I make money sitting at home using the right technology. And at the same time, I also learned that I could connect with people across the globe. So there could be people from Australia or US or Canada or Switzerland connecting to my programs and gaining insights out of it. So how could I say that this is bad for me? This Corona thing turned out to be a best thing for me because now I am sitting at home and making money and making positive changes in the lives of people, which otherwise would not have been possible. It could have been difficult for me to travel to hundreds of countries and travel to several cities. It could take a lot of time and effort and money and energy, but current situation is bringing everybody together on such platforms as we are doing right now. So what is my learning out of this situation is as tremendous positive learning which I could say proudly. And what will I do differently next time? That is the fifth question which we should communicate as a meaningful communication. What will I do differently next time? So whatever is my learning, I learn something. Okay, I need to do something differently so that next time I can do it better. So you need to find out a different ways, you need to find out a different means, you need to find out a different tools and techniques so that you can grow. Tomorrow always will come and tomorrow is always different. Tomorrow always comes and it is always different. We always need to find out how to tackle with that different tomorrow. And that is what is my suggestion. That is what is my message to you all who are listening to this particular wonderful summit. So that's it from my side. It was nice talking to you all. I want you to connect with me if you feel this is important, if you feel this is interesting, do connect with me on my website www.nlpinfinite.com. I conduct programs online and offline. Of course, offline not currently, but otherwise, the moment everything is over. But currently, I am conducting online trainings wherein I certify people as an NLP practitioner and NLP master practitioner and NLP associates as well. And all these certifications, all these trainings are certified by and approved by the American Board of NLP. So these certifications are not given by me. You will not be certified by me or my company. You will be certified by the world largest successful association in the field of NLP, that is the American Board of NLP. And you will be a privileged member of being a part of a global group. So if you want to be a part of this global group and if you want to be a part of this global community and take your life to the next level, do join us and become a wonderful or a better version of your own self. And that is all from my side. It was really very nice talking to you. Do share your comments, to share whatever you thought about this particular session. I would love to hear from you. And that's it from my side for now.